5 to 10 minutes. Just to recap, since this is going to be recorded, we're going to have everyone checking, trying to explain what we're doing over here. We may add it later as well. And after we run through this, we're going to show you how the agent is working, how Replicats is working, and everything related to what we've built so far, right? So I guess it's time to get started. I hold it enough with a big, like a small waiting. Thank you very much for all of you who came, and let's get into it. So guys, what we're building here on Replicats, this is important to recap before we start over here. We are Replicats, we're building AI portfolio managers that fit in your pocket, right? We're gonna go through this journey over here, explaining what we're building, why we're building, what is the reason that we started to build this, and how does the product looks like. It seems like my camera is having some problems over here, so if happens, I'm gonna turn off my camera, but my audio will keep going, and you're gonna be able to see on screen, on chain, everything that's happening over here. So all the transactions that I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna share a base scan link so you can actually see that the product is working. So a disclaimer is this is the beta testing. The stage that we are right now, we're conducting internal testings, right? We're making sure everything is working, is round over here. Before next week, we're gonna bring on board two groups to help us build better replicas. The first are inviting. We're gonna be working with people who helped us before. So I do know that we have Anonymous over here. He's been super helpful with us. He's gonna be helping us in the next stage as well. He's been our man so far. Super interested. And also after that, we're gonna open for everyone who holds over 100,000 ARCATs. So it is still time for you guys to get the tokens. Join the Collabland channel over here. You have to hold them on your wallet, and Replicats is going to be available for you guys for an early testing. And also, you will be able to. We will also give you a few months for free, no charging, and you're going to be using the product without paying anything for a few months before we roll out new functions and few things that you guys are going to see today, right? So let's go through it. The topic of the day is the product demo, right? Most know I know many of you guys have been with us since the beginning of the journey. Maybe from we opened the Discord in March, if I'm not wrong. So before March, we were still trying to understand the direction that we were going. We had the prototype of what we wanted to do with Replicat One, but that was just a few part of what we're building here on Replicats, right? And today we're finally coming up with a product demo. We are Replicats, we are redesigning investments using AI, right? We do not see ourselves as a crypto company. We are an AI company that uses crypto. We believe in crypto. We love crypto. We believe that crypto is inevitable. As you guys can see, probably most of you guys, at least a portion of you guys, might have watched yesterday how Coinbase is moving with the new Base app. It's super interesting. It's an app store. So crypto is going to be more and more into everyone's life, and has been our thesis since the beginning, especially stable coins, right? We work with stable coins. Replic is a launchpad as well. It's a marketplace, but you can find like several agents over there, and we do have as well a framework that people can build their own agents, right? If you're good enough, you can use that, and you can also distribute using the marketplace, right? As I said, it's an intelligence app layer, a framework, and a launchpad. We're mixing these 3 points over here to create a full Replicats experience, right? Today we are showing you guys a few parts of this full vision of what we have. And the end game, of course, is a platform that's going to be your best friend, your best companion, is going to help you how to reach your financial objectives. We want you to trust this platform the way you don't even trust your banks or your financial advisors. We want to be better financial advisors. The problem that we started was always like this. We started with trading, right? Trading is our background, and we could see that a lot of people could find a token entry, but they didn't know how to manage the product, not the product, the portfolio in their hands, right? They forgot to take profits, set stop loss, and they were losing or giving back to the market what they earned, right? So it's super important. This is for me a slide that I made today that for me is one of the most important of what is Replicates, what we're building over here. We're building automated portfolio managers. So each one of our agents, it's going to be managing a portfolio. They don't just trade; they manage your portfolio. So they buy, they sell, they rebalance. They work to have a risk optimized portfolio and balance it. They take profits. They want you to succeed. They don't want you to lose the money that you make. This is super important. That's how we started building what we're doing right now. All these agents that we're building, they have institutional grade strategies. So we're using things that are state of the art, such as Black Litterman. It's a methodology that we are using for portfolio management. We're going to have a community call with our quant traders down the road that's going to explain a little bit more about the strategies of the agents. It's built by quantitative traders, so we're not using people who trade daily for building what we're building. We're using very, very sophisticated power to build this, this everything that we're doing. And management for us is fundamental. We want you to keep your money. We want you to make money, but we want you also to keep that money. We're not here for gambling. It's super important that we're trying to offer things like down the road. What we want to do with Replicats is offer the same kind of service that things like BlackRock, Fidelity, Vanguard they offer to retail investors. But we want this to be we use blockchain because we want this to be 24/7 global. Anyone in the world will have access to things like portfolio management, asset. We start with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stables, but we plan to move down the road to several other assets that I'm going to talk about it by the road, right? And what is not Replicats is very important for everyone to understand what is not. We're not Alpha Hunter. We're not trying to find like that token early, get over there, make money. This is not what we're doing. There are plenty of solutions of that in the market. Not on the agents that we are working right now, maybe down the road. We still don't know. But right now, we're not an Alpha Hunter bot. We're not used for high frequency trading. So our agents, they take care of your portfolio. They're not going to be trading all the time. They're going to follow market movements. If market goes up, the agent is going to be over there, buying all the way up and selling in a point. And if the market goes down, if it sees that the market's going down, it's going to sell your position. It's going to reposition itself, right? We don't go with riskless activities. So we're not trying to do things, as I said, alpha hunting, sniping tokens. This is not on us, right? We are made for degens, but not for degening. This is wrong. What we offering over here is a new solution for you guys to keep your money. Degening is nice. I really like degening. I trade meme coins sometimes. I think it's fun. It's super fun trading meme coins sometimes, but it's a very risky thing to do. And I see a lot as someone who trades coins that a lot of people take profits and they put again into the meme coin casino, which is fine. I really like the meme coin casino. I think it's great, but it's super risky for you. Like if you make money, you just come back to the market. We want to be a solution that, for example, you made a lot of money trading meme coins. You can park some of that money with our agents, and our agents is going to be taking care of that money for you guys, right? Uh, I really like I try to use this image from Brian Johnson. Brian Johnson has this phrase that's the "Don't die." He's trying, and it connects a lot with something that a trader that I know that he says like the first rule in crypto is to survive, right? And we're trying to do this. We want crypto traders to have a safe haven for them to park their money, to have their money over there safe and well managed. I found this yesterday. This is super insane for me. Like I see crypto traders, the number of traders that go over to things like Pump Fund, trading tokens, it's super narrow, the number of them who actually makes money, right? And we are here to be the guys who's going to be helping you guys. Like, hey, I know you want to allocate a piece of your portfolio over there to gamble, but try to save some money. Our agent's going to be taking care for you guys, right? And the product phases that we did a lot. Like we started with the terminal, then we moved to a conversational terminal that's going to be in this iteration that we're doing. And we are right now starting the beta on the Q3, right? There are two things that we're bringing to the table right now. It's the wallet management system. I'm going to show you guys today. I'm very excited to show you the agent building the portfolio, live trading. We're gonna have as well. We're gonna be using Replicat One, right? Later on, we have post-launch, some things that we schedule. We have many more things in our pipeline, but we're going to be expanding the intelligence layer, and we're going to be offering a framework for people to build their own agents as well, right? Today, we're going to have Replicat 1. This is the first agent. It's trading 24/7 on base. Risk management is a priority. Users can deploy them to trade the portfolio for them. It's the first one. It's the first of the many agents that we want to launch, right? We have a token and it's trading on base using Virtuals protocol. Is the RCAP. It's going to give you access to this agent in the first moment, right? So today's a beta launch, right? I'm gonna be showing you guys right now on live everything that we're doing over here, and I hope we don't have hiccups. So if problems happen, is because we're still doing internal testing, internal launching, and we may have some hiccups. There's still a lot of things that we want to change before we go in this internal testing with the invited users next week, right? So let me share another screen right now. Boom. All right, guys. And this is an internal environment, but it's trading, it's working. It's not on the test net. Everything that you guys are gonna watch right now is happening live. I'm gonna show the receipts as well of everything that we're doing, right? You're gonna be able to see what we're doing right now. The only thing that's different in this moment is I have an account that right now has $0 on it, so I'm gonna be funding the account live as well. Also, this account was already created, so our team could whitelist. You're not going to see the whole process of creating an account, but you're going to see the deposit and launching the agent, right? So first things first is I'm going to sign in. I forgot to check. Everyone is watching, right? Yeah, right. Everyone should be watching right now. So first thing you do is you launch an account, which is a smart wallet, right? We use right now Dynamic. Dynamic is the one that's giving access. It's creating this account over here that you see is what we call the available funds. The naming might change till we get like to the main launch over here. But the first thing that you see over here is a platform that you have how much money you have inside the platform, your positions, and the profit and loss. The profit and loss is not yet running because our agent's not yet live in this user, right? But I can show you later my second account. That's another one that I'm testing, and you can see how the agent is behaving, right? So first things first, I'm gonna deposit over here. First thing, you open the screen, you get a wallet address. This is a wallet that's created. I'm gonna share the address. Let me open the Basecamp over here. Basecamp is a brand new. Just hold on a second. I just pasted this address. You can see over here. This is a wallet with $0, no balance over there. Nothing over there, right? Uh, I just copied over here. I'm gonna go on a second window that's not open, and I'm gonna transfer the minimum that we're gonna have. The agent just runs above $100, so this is super important for everyone to know. Let me open my wallet over here. I open my wallet, and I'm gonna transfer from my secondary wallet $130. Wait a second, confirm. This wallet what mine has $115. I'm transferring $115 from wallet A to wallet B. Should be going right now. I'm doing this on a separate screen. Yes, I've transferred. So you see, everything happened. The pot funds added should be updated over here shortly. Let me refresh. It's loading. Yeah, so there you go. We do have $115 in my account. This is the account that I'm going to be using to. There's a Discord issue. Can you guys see my screen? Oh, I'm gonna try to do this either way. Just rewrapping over here. I started with $0 in this account. I don't know what happened. Sorry for this. I'm gonna have to record this, but either way, like there we go. Uh, we do have this screen over here. You can see the resolution is a bit, but there's $115 in this app over here that you can see that we're doing, right? And okay, so I do have right now, I funded my wallet. I'm using the base scan, as you can see. I'm gonna share over here in the chat. That's weird. This is the base scan that I just shared right now. You're gonna see the This is the link of the wallet. That's my Replicat wallet, and you're gonna see that I just transferred this money over here, right? Uh, I'm gonna click right now. We do have in this UX just the first agent available right now. We are working in a few other agents as well, but for now you're gonna have Replicat one. Let's launch one. I'm gonna click on launch agent. This screen over here is gonna pop up. I can choose between 0 to $115, right? I'm gonna go max full blast over here and launch this agent with all the money that I have in this wallet. No, better. Let me do something else. I'm gonna launch it with $105. This is over here. Everyone can see that. Can you guys confirm? I'm gonna take this as a yes. So I deposit. So what's happening right now? I'm signing that I'm happy to launch with $105.80. I'm gonna confirm. I'm gonna sign this transaction. This is using Dynamic. This is non-custodial wallet that we're using as provider. Who's gonna sign? Waiting for wallet approval. It's depositing right now. Right? The transaction is happening behind the curtains. Yes. So the agent was launched, and the agent right now is managing my portfolio right now. In this moment, what the agent first is receiving the money, it's applying everything that we need to do. We have right now we are using first the agent is trying to understand the market conditions, and it's going to build shortly a portfolio over here that's going to be using users who deploys money is going to hello you're going to have access as well to the dashboard where hello Replicat one. We're working on optimizing the dashboard, but it's going to be available for you guys as well to use that, right? Uh, the agent, you can interact with the agent as much as you want, as soon as you hold the market tokens and do have access to that, right? So coming back to the main screen, while the agent's going to take a few minutes to the agent set my position. But as you can see right now, what changed over here? We do have the positions value. This is what the agent is going to be trading for me. It's going to be managing actually, not trading. He trades when he needs, but it's not going to be actively trading all the time. But this position over here that you see is how much my agent is taking care for me, right? And you have one option over here. In this case, you can come back to the agent dashboard, have chats with the agent, having inquires about how the market is going. It's a little bit slow over here. As I said, this is still our environment. We want to make this as smooth as possible when it comes up. And here you have the option to add more funds to the agent. It's wrong. This one should be like $2 or $3, but you can. It's the difference between what I had and what I have right now. So I need to fix this shortly. But you can top up. So if your agent is already trading, is already actively managing a portfolio, you can add some stuff up, right? And in this case, the agent uh, is right now. It's totally managing my portfolio. It's going to be building right now. It's going to take a few minutes. When it comes back up, you see it says right now that I have $105 in stablecoins. Shortly, we'll start to make the decisions, the trading decisions, right? How it want to allocate the portfolio, and in up to 2 hours from now, we're going to have the first portfolio built for the day. The agent's going to rebalance this portfolio when it feels like it's not all the time, and it's going to be following the rules set by our quant traders, right? Back to the questions. We still shortly you're going to be able to deactivate the agent as well. So whenever you feel it's time for you to finish your position, we don't have partial finalizing, but the agent when you click to finalize, it's going to bring all the portfolio is going to sell and it's going to bring back to stables. So this is super important. Replicats work with stable coins. It's the core of our business. Even if your agent is trading Bitcoin, or in this case, CBBTC, we use Base Network, right? Even if the agent is trading Bitcoins, the moment that you stop the agent, you deactivate your agent, it's going to turn everything into stable coins and put back uh, in your available funds position over here, right? Now I'm going to log in with a separate account because I want to show you guys how does the portfolio look. I'm going to join again, continue to, I'm going to choose a second account that I use. And this is an account that I created 2 days ago that has already an agent trading and with a portfolio up and running. So yes, there's some things over here. So pretty much like 2 days ago, this is the second account that I use it. I deposit $120 for my agent to manage, and this should be over here. So far, I have like $4.57 in profit. This is super important for you to understand that this is unrealized profit yet. The agent will take profit. It's still not taking profit right now. But when I come to the agent dashboard, you can see over here how the agent is using my portfolio. So pretty much yesterday, it divided my portfolio. I think it was something like 54% of my funds in Bitcoin and 46% of in Ethereum. What happens? Ethereum outperformed, so I'm winning money in this trade over here, and the agent is giving the value that you saw on the it's managing right now. This the it has like $5 right now in profit in the last days. Everything that we're doing right now is doing like the agent is holding the assets. It's using a non-custodial wallet as well that belongs to the agent from another provider called Crossmint. You can see on chain as well all the transaction. Again, let me show you over here. It's going to be showing, yeah, there's a few bugs since we're still in beta. There's the transactions over here. You're going to see the order as well. The orders are not yet live over here. And by clicking on the button that we're going to push this week, you can see the agent wallet and everything the agent is doing over there, right? Ask questions over here, everything, right? So yeah, this is a live working product that we have right now, Replicats. We are rolling out right now, as I said, we are on the beta launch stage. We are rolling out this week the internal testing. Next week, we plan to start inviting not OG, sorry, the Arcat holder squad to come over, try the platform, give us feedback. We have many functionalities that we are working as well. Down the road, we want to create new agents, new features. The first one, as I said, is going to be trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stables. It's going to be building this portfolio to be optimized between those three, right? We plan as well soon to offer new agents and new possibilities like agents who are going to be trading stocks. We are right now partnering up with a product that can help us bringing stocks on chain. So you're going to be able, the agents as well, are going to be able to build stocks portfolio just like Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, whatever you want, Google, Alphabet, whatever it is, balance that portfolio and create like a balanced portfolio for you guys, right? I'm super excited of how we're going live with Replicat soon. Our plan is like to test for a few months, then we're gonna open the doors for everyone. Replicat is gonna have a subscription price. Arcat, the token is gonna give some perks. You can use as well to pay for the subscription with Arcat. And it's gonna have several use cases inside the platform. I think that's it for today. Uh, if you guys have any questions, right now is the time to ask it. And yeah, thank you so much for participating. All questions are welcome. And yeah, does anyone have has questions?